Our mid-Michigan area has over 125 years of really rich and vibrant manufacturing industry, and we are so fortunate that we continue to see that be one of our strongest industries here. Manufacturing is really diverse. So you have more of those traditional, what you might think of in automotive, but in our region we also have a really rich biomed tech industry as well that's attached to our manufacturing industry. And we also have really new innovative manufacturing technologies coming with a battery plant, one of our first ones in Michigan that's going to be located right in our region.
It's AI, it's robotics, it's not the heavy lifting that it used to be when our grandparents worked in manufacturing. Women have been working in manufacturing since way back when manufacturing just began. During World War I, World War II, when our servicemen were going overseas to fight in the war, all of these women were coming into factories and taking on jobs that traditionally men were doing. And it wasn't until the 70s that we saw a real resurgence of women coming back into manufacturing. It still remains about 30% women, 70% men in manufacturing, and it's been about that since the 70s.
As our company has grown, so have the role models and the amount of women that I see in our industry helping to lead other companies and other organizations.
Michigan in general is a great opportunity for women to get involved in the Lansing area, especially with the Tier 1, Tier 2 automotive manufacturing facilities.
So there are a lot of young ladies that aren't being exposed to STEM-related jobs, and they don't understand that these are very viable career choices.
It's easier when they can see us and we can mentor and show them examples of the way that you can lead, not only manufacturing, but any business.
We know career pathways and helping people get those experiences, you have to have that support system around you. So working hand in hand with our employers to design apprenticeship programs, to coach them through removing barriers that they might be facing, things like transportation barriers, housing, food insecurity, even childcare. So making sure that we can tap into those other resources to remove those barriers so folks can get successfully employed and stay employed too in our region.
So we have a great partnership with Pamela. They do an excellent job of being able to assess our needs or our company's needs for employees and finding out what skill sets those employees have and helping us match. So it's a win-win situation for both involved.
My hope and wish is that women join manufacturing. I think it's a great industry. I have had a wonderful career. I love manufacturing. I love everything I do every day.
There's definitely room for everyone. There's so many different careers and paths and journeys that you can take in manufacturing and in STEM itself.
We can't understate the importance of manufacturing to the economy in our mid-Michigan region and to Michigan as a whole. And I think it's really important that we show those opportunities to our next generation for them to make those positive impacts through the economy that they can be a part of here in our region.